Let us discuss about BMR. BMR means basal metabolic rate. BMR or basal metabolic rate. What? Let us see the definition of BMR. The definition is: this is amount of energy or the minimum amount of energy required by the body to maintain life at complete physical and mental rest in post-absorptive state. That means, let us see after post-absorptive state. Post-absorptive state means after 12 hours after last meal. 12 hours after last meal. So after 12 hours of last meal, the person should be at rest. Mentally and physically. The person should be at rest physically and mentally. At this time, the amount of energy required to maintain life. The minimum amount of energy required to maintain life at after to maintain life at post-absorptive state is called BMR. Now, as I am telling, he is completely at rest now, right? Okay, he is rest. Then what for this energy is used for? Even the person is at rest, there will be some activities going on in our body, like heartbeat. Heartbeat must heart must beat every time, all the time. Even the person is at rest, even if the person is sleeping. Even conduction of nerve impulses should happen, right? Even the person is at rest, even conduction of nerve impulse will happen. Even reabsorption in kidney will happen. Even digestion in gastrointestinal system is going on, even we are at rest. So all these things are going on even we are at rest. The energy required for all these things is called BMR, we can say. So the definition is minimum amount of energy required by the body to maintain life at complete physical and mental rest in post-absorptive state. Let us see the normal values of BMR. The normal values of BMR is different in male and female. In male, it is 35 to 38 calories per square meter per hour. Okay, in men, the normal value is 35 to 38 calories per square meter per hour. In female, it is quite less, that is 32 to 35 calories per square meter per hour. Okay, this is hourly calculation. We can also calculate the daily requirements for one day. In men, for one day, the BMR is 1600 calories per day. In female, it is 1400 calories per day. Okay, these are normal values. One thing that we have to remember here is, so I told you there are many processes that are going on in our body even if we are at rest. One channel will utilize almost 50% of energy, that is sodium potassium pump. This sodium potassium pump utilizes almost 50% of BMR. That means 50% of energy will be utilized by this sodium potassium pump. Let us see how we measure this BMR. measurement of BMR. This is measured mainly by two methods. One is apparatus of Benedict's and Roth. One is by apparatus of Benedict and Roth. This is actually a closed circuit device. It is closed circuit device and it is frequently used. Here what we do here is we'll measure oxygen consumption for 2 to 6 minutes. We'll measure oxygen consumption for 2 to 6 minutes. So by this oxygen consumption we'll measure the amount of energy required. And one more method is Douglas bag method. It is a open circuit method. There is also a formula. There is a formula called which is used by Dubais. That is called Dubais and Dubais formula. Okay, that is Dubais and Dubais. This Dubais used a formula. The formula is A is equal to H to the power of 0.725 into W to the power of 0.425 into 71.84. A is equal to H to the power of 0.725 into W to the power of 0.425 into 71.04. Let us see what A indicates. A means surface area. A means surface area in centimeters square. H means height in centimeters. W means weight in kg. Okay, this is the formula used by Dubais and Dubais. The formula is H to the power of 0.725 into W to the power of 0.425 into 71.84. Okay, this is about the measurement. Then we'll see the various factors affecting this BMR. The first factor is surface area of body. So as all of us know, as the surface area increases, the amount of energy required also increases. So BMR also increases. So BMR increases. One more is sex. In sex, men will have higher BMI. As I already told you, around 1600 calories per day is used in men. The reason is men has more lean muscle mass. So he has higher BMI compared to female. Then age. Infants and growing children has more BMI. Infants and growing children has higher BMI because they have high lean muscle mass. Okay? But adults have less BMI, because they have less lean muscle mass, and there is decrease of 2% per decade of B. Okay, there is decrease of 2% per decade. This is about yes. Then moving to hormones, the effect of hormones. The important hormone is thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone increases BMI. Increase BMR. So in hyperthyroidism, we will see increase in BMI. BMR. Whereas in hypothyroidism, there is decrease in BMR. Then other hormones that affect BMR are epinephrine, cortisol, growth hormone, sex hormone. All these hormones, they increase BMR. Then move to environmental factors. BMR is more in cold. In cold, BMR is more. In starvation, even in starvation, there is reduction in BMR. Starvation, there is reduction in BMR. Almost even 50% can be reduced. Even 50% of BMR can be reduced in starvation. Then moving to fever. In fever, BMR will increase. BMR will be increased. In disease state, in different disease state, BMR will be affected. Okay. This is about different factors. What is the significance of this BMR? We are measuring BMR. Then what is the use of this BMR? Let us see the significance of this BMR. Significance. The significance of BMR is, so by knowing or measuring the BMR of person, we can plan the diet. It can be used in assessing thyroid function. Assessment of thyroid function. As I already told you, in hyperthyroidism there is increase in BMR. In hypothyroidism there is decrease in BMR. So if there is increase in BMR, we can say there is hyperthyroidism. Okay, we can't say that it is definitive diagnostic criteria, but in hyperthyroidism there is increase in BMR. In hypothyroidism there is decrease in BMR. Okay, even in certain diseases there is in certain diseases there is variations in BMR. Okay, this is the significance of BMR.